We're going to see if facelift tape can really take years off our faces.
So, tapes for a facelift. Let us see if it works.
Facelift part, and this little piece is the neck lift. So it's just an elastic band attached to two pieces of adhesive.
Okay, honestly, so how many of you would be comfortable with an elastic band on you, even for a few hours every day?
Okay, this seems really simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started.
So I think it will be easier, better and safer if it is done by a medical professional.
Put it right here.
So how long will these tapes last? Is it hygienic to put on a tape for hours in a day? Won't it cause skin irritation, acne and rashes, especially in the Indian skin and climate?
Okay, it is pulling my eyes.
Well, now you know it is not comfortable.
Can't tell if it's doing anything.
So exactly, these at-home facelift fixes do not fix the basic reason for the skin laxity, that is the muscle and the loose tissue. And it's sad for these people, only a surgical facelift is a permanent fix to these issues. Getting an actual surgical facelift is better, safer and easier if it is done by a board certified plastic surgeon.